just catch you having fun.
Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I achieve the easiest, bestest, most simplest texture styling ever. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this beautiful hairstyle, please be sure to keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so y'all stay notified every time I post a video, and let's get it. So before we start, I am just gonna show you guys what I am going to be using in today's video. Let's take this down. I kind of like got my hair wet in the shower, so it kind of looks crazy. Okay, so here is what I'm gonna do. I am going to do the back, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I do when I have only the front left. So, I guess you guys can look at me. I'll just speed it up. Just going to part this. Let's put all this up here. Okay, so we're gonna go in with some of this. Not too much, just a little bit. And finger comb it. Then we're gonna just take some gel and apply it all on there. We're just gonna go in with some of the beeswax and just place it right where the rubber band is gonna go, so it holds really neat. And let's just come through this with the comb. And we're just gonna apply a rubber band. Now we're just gonna separate our hair and pull so it's a little tighter. Just detangle this, comb through it, and separate this into two. Try to get as equal as possible, and then you're just gonna start twisting it like so. Next, what I want to do is take a rubber band and apply it to the end of your hair. I'm gonna do this because I know when I twist my hair it's unloosed really easily, so I'm just gonna secure this twist with a rubber band, leave that for rest, and then I'll come back on to show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the next side, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and try to add some edges because I kind of like put everything back, but this is kind of what it looks like from the back. I don't know if y'all can see that properly, but so I'm just gonna go in with some beeswax what I like to do now is just go with some gel over these sides. We don't really have anything to swoop, but I guess we will just be creating the illusion that we have a little bit of edges out today. Y'all even see anything going on there? Anyways, I guess we could do the same thing to the next side. So yeah, now I'm just gonna, I don't know, give it some time. My hair takes really long to dry, but when it dries, it should be, you know, a bit poofy, kind of like this one. This one here. So yeah, we're just gonna give it some time. I'm probably not gonna film that, but yeah, right now my forehead is looking really huge because my hair is super thin when it's moisturized and wet. It's not so wet, but it's kind of damp. So what I'm gonna do is take my hair and just put it up for now and just leave the two down in the front. I'm wondering if I want to leave some down at the back. How does that look? Okay, I guess kind of like that. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna rock it like this because I feel like this is super cute. Let me see if I can get you all around this angle. So yeah, we're just gonna rock it like that for now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so y'all stay notified every time I post. And speak properly, all my words are sludging. Yo guys, you guys know what I mean. So yeah, see you in the next one.